What's up, guys? It's your boy right here. That's me. And we are at Friday Night Lights Season 6 opener in Waco between Granbury and the Lions. The Pirates and the Lions. We just started the game. 11:06 in the first, 3rd down and 13 coming up. About to throw. Takes the pocket. Goes up number 14. Short of the first down game. But anyways, that's something to start Friday Night Lights Season 6. So let's continue. All right, it's now 2nd down and 10 for Granbury. They get set to snap the ball. All right. Number 9 back to throw. He throws it deep, and oh, he caught it. No, it's incomplete. Wow. One incomplete pass by Waco. All right. It's now 3rd down for the Waco Lions. Gets the pocket. He's going to throw deep. He's going to throw, and it's incomplete. But they're saying that there's a flag. No flags on the field. All right, 4th down and 1 for Granbury. They're going to go for it, and they get it through for a Granbury Pirates 1st down. All right, 1:50 left, 2nd down and 5 for Granbury. Steps back to throw now. The pass is caught. No, it's incomplete. All right, 1st and goal for Granbury now. They're going to throw, and it's caught. Touchdown, Granbury. Here's the Pat, P-A-T. I call it Pat because of it's P-A-T, Pat McAfee. And Granbury strikes first, but someone is down. No, it's not. Granbury strikes first, 7-0. We're now in the 2nd quarter now, 9:26 left. 2nd down and 9, Granbury. They have the lead, 7-0. Drops back to pass. He's in trouble. Oh, sack lunch. He pulls his pants down a little bit. But that's now 3rd down. All right, the last of Granbury's marching band leaves the stands to practice for halftime. Now 3rd down and 9 for the Waco Lions now. All right. Runs out from the outside. He's going to run. He's going to be stopped. But that's not going to be enough. 4th down. The Waco band has left to practice for halftime. 3:08 left. 2nd down for Waco, and they almost caught it. They had it right there. All right, 1:19 left in the 2nd quarter before halftime. And it's now 2nd down and 9 for the Waco Lions. Its only score is 7-0 so far. We're about to get ready to snap it. Second down. He's going to run from the outside, scramble. He's going to scramble, and he's going to be brought down. He's going to bring up no yards at all. Maybe short, maybe little to no yards. It's now 3rd down and 9. 38 seconds until halftime. Steps back to go. He's going to look for one, and he's going to throw it outside. Now 4th down. Another touchdown for the Granbury Pirates. Straight after the punt. Right after the punt, they get a touchdown. That expands their score 13-0 now. They're really dominating out there with only 15 seconds left before halftime. And that crowd there is going crazy. Here's the Pat once again. The Pat. Here it is right here. The kick is up, and it is good. 14-0, Granbury. All right, it's halftime now. The current score is 13-0 Granbury. And what a first half that they dominated. And you know, I miss nights like these. Like, I've been looking forward to nights like these ever since August, like the beginning of the month, ever since the beginning of August. And now these nights have finally arrived. And college game day is tomorrow. Lee Corso's final show. What can I say, man? He's a legend. But anyways, also tomorrow is the Longhorns taking on the national champion Ohio State Buckeyes. Should be a pretty good game. Anyways, Granbury's band is on the field now, so let's get to halftime. All right, here the Granbury High School Stowwaves to kick off tonight's halftime performance. Have really good talent. All right, we're about to get ready for a big performance here. Drum majors are ready. Here we go. Wow. Look at all them. Look at the color guard team. Look at them. right, Granbury and Waco are back on the field and are ready to kick off the third quarter in the second half of the game. It's been all Granbury so far, 14-0. Waco's gonna try to get back on top, trying to get back on track in this game as we get set to kick off the third quarter. All right, we're about set to kick off the third quarter. Waco's gonna kick it off to Granbury. They deferred to the second half earlier. All right, we're underway. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. He has some open space. Now he's going to be stopped near the 40-yard line. That's going to bring up a first down for Granbury. And that's another touchdown for Granbury. They're literally owning this game. 20-0 now. Oh, they faked it. Oh, they brought it down, fumble. But Granbury got it back, but there's no extra points, so it's now 20-0. Granbury literally owning it. Touchdown Waco! They're first in the game, but there's a flag on the play. All right, let's see what they call. All right, let's see what the ref says. Very. This is NFL-like penalty. No fun league. Come on. But at least it's a touchdown. And that's another touchdown scored by the Granbury Pirates. They're really owning the Lions tonight. 26-6. Look at that score. All right. Here comes the Pat. The Pat. And it's good. 27-6 is our score now. Cheers. Third down and 9 for the Waco Lions, and it's caught. He's going to try to stay up. He's trying to stay up. He's going to go. He's staying on his feet. And there's a flag on the play.
A foul. Number 75 of the offense. 10-yard penalty. Replay.
Replay third down now. All right, hyping up Kernkraft 400 as Penn State fans. Third down and 12. And that's going to end the third quarter. Fourth quarter now is now third down and 12 now. Waco drops back to throw. In trouble. And And the Granbury Pirates have recovered the football. Wow, what a turn of events here. 7:05 left in the game. 27-6. Granbury has been owning it all night long. And he throws it incomplete. Almost got a touchdown, but it's going to be fourth down and 3 now. First down for Granbury. 5:01 left in the game. They've been really owning it. It's 30-6 now. Going to be stopped. Second down. Wow, what a game. We're leaving early because it's already over. 30-6. Granbury really owned them. Like, it's such a blowout to open up season 6 of Friday Night Lights. But it's crazy. Like, Waco only scored one touchdown and that was it. Man, it was really more of a blowout than an actual game. But if you enjoyed this video, press the like button, comment on this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have 264 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 300. And So yeah, make sure to support on this new season of Friday Night Lights, this season 6. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, just a quick reminder, there will be no Friday Night Lights next week because I'm gonna get ready for the home opener for the week after that, the Cove home opener against Georgetown the week after that. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break next week so I can get ready and hope to bring you guys the action. But anyways, bye.